Welcome back, it's me, Rifted Fox, and today we're going to be playing Surfers.
And me, Sophia. Who wouldn't even introduce me.
Ah! Fuck you!
Ow! Ow!
Fuck you!
It was a joke. Help me, I'm getting abused.
Would you start a channel?
What?
Would you start a channel?
Yeah. I already have a channel.
You do?
YouTube, yeah. On actual YouTube.
Yeah, so do I.
Right. So, hey guys, he has been playing Subway Surfers for 10 years. Have you?
No, it's been out for 10 years.
Oh, it's been out for 10 years, but he's on a really high level. And I wouldn't blame him. He is pretty good.
Have you ever seen me play?
Yes.
No, you haven't.
I stalked him.
You fucking what?
Don't try and bye by me.
Hey!
I have a gun placed into his head.
Ah! Dickhead!
He's actually just playing now. Top to play, Chop. Can I play after you?
Okay, so guys, we're gonna load up as Hagabot.
Let me go after you.
Yeah, we're gonna take turns.
Whoa, bro! Oh, man, you're sketch. Oh, but you're official.
Dude, I have to beat Seth to get into the silvers.
Oh. You're really good at this game. So whenever you die, it's my go, yeah?
Yeah. What the?
Oh,
Dude. No, I missed both. Weird. Then you can't have both. All of it. Because you can't get it all, dude. Point me out.
well,
I mean, I can watch an ad and continue.
No.
Yes, I can.
No.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't do that, Sean.
Yes, you can.
Fine, then I can do that. I'm gonna go.
Of course.
Yeah, I only got one of them.
Okay, you only got one ad, guys. You pick up two jetpacks.
Oh, check me. Checkmate. Well, this thing.
Yes, guys. Okay, so guys, back up and running. Boy! 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 Yeah, boy! Boy! Okay!
Let's go really fast, Sean. We'll get back to
A coin magnet. What? Can I continue with a key because that was like unfair.
Fine, then you get one of them. So I get the exact same thing as you.
Okay, so guys, now it's 2 ads per round.
Yeah.
And maybe change to 3 though, depending on how.
No, it doesn't. It won't. You do that, then that's cheating.
So guys, we both have 3 chances per round, per turn. Whoa! Boom! I phased! God, it was terrible. We're just gonna wait for the timer to run out. So guys,
I keep that skin. Yes, I do.
go.
Gotta go fast. I don't even care about
So you have to try and be. So guys, the goal for this video is to try and get the champion to the champion level. Level.
I haven't played this in a really long time. I've played when I was like 5 and I'm like 9 now.
That was 4 years ago?
Yes. Pretty cool, eh?
You know you can just jump on top, right?
I don't really wanna.
No, they won't.
Psych! 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 Psych!
Get the jetpack.
Boy, I was born to get that jetpack. But not
You have never
train
played this game before.
I have in 4 years ago. Kind of forgot what to do, but okay. We don't talk about what I forget to do, okay?
The corner.
Oh! I got 2 more cards.
Don't waste my keys. Do not fucking waste my keys.
Don't waste your mama.
What? You get one with a key and one with an ad.
Yeah. Let's go. It's accidentally skipped that.
Well, you just died. Hey, now it's my.
No, it's not. No, because I forgot to I forgot what to do. Do I drop? What the hell? I'm about to fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Oh, my mama said to me, I gotta get
the mystery box. Get the mystery box. No, get the puzzle.
I know what's in the
Get
mystery box.
started.
There's prizes and cash in it, and you can get cash extra 2 times extra cash.
No, this increases your score by 2.
Yeah, basically that's what we're.
There's like a debug mode in this, and you just play like a bunch of them in a round. Imagine the score you do there. You probably instantly be at the top.
Probably.
So this is your second. So this is your second chance. If you die.
Oh no! If I die, I get 1 more. Remember?
Yeah, and you can use the key on this one. But now it's gonna start getting faster. How's Tab on the card? You can use a key. 1 key.
Oh, this is a bit nervous.
So if you guys don't know,
I haven't played this in 4 years, so I'm a bit.
if you guys love Subway Surfers but haven't played it yet, the new season is actually based all around Barcelona.
Yeah, so search for Barcelona Subway Surfers on Google, and you'll probably find it there.
She's gonna die here.
Actually, probably will now. I thought you're just gonna die there.
Oh.
And I just did.
And guys, she is down.
I've been eliminated. Wait, I have. Look, Sean.
I get to open your mystery box. This is
800 coins.
Not bad.
Good. Sean. Oh, eliminated.
Never know.
Go on, Sean. Go on, Shawnee boy. We gotta see some real speed, right? Ooh, real speed.
Fast play, guys. Let's go.
Start.
Boost increaser.
Okay.
A boost increaser.
Alright, easy. Will be easy now, boy. Oh!
I'm gonna use the key first.
Okay. And then you only have 1 more try, don't you?
No, 2 more.
You already used the key. Yeah. Remember, you already used the key?
No, I have 2 more tries now. Because I have the ad left.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you have 1 more try. The ad.
And then,
you can only do the ad.
And then if after the ad is my last chance to try and do
yeah. So how come when I done with that, then I didn't get a last chance?
Because you skipped it.
Yeah.
So you.
Your last go.
Okay, so there's a free hoverboard.
Ooh. Okay.
Hands. Love. Never 29. Family.
I know you wish that there was. But maybe I was stupid. This is your last. Oh, Sean. Oh, Sean's still big with the window. You know that you are allowed to crash in that goal.
That would technically still be my goal then.
Oh, nice.
See that?
Oh, get that. Get that.
The magnet.
Extra, bro. Oh, extra.
Whoa, I'm
Double
fucking
skill. Sean.
buckler skittles.
And now you do that, Sean.
Come on, hoverboard. Hoverboard, baby.
You're a pro at this.
I thought I was gonna die. I was like, no! Oh, right. Hey!
Oh.
Instant crash! Well, that was a good idea.
It was unfair. You got overboard.
Jetpack! Boom. Hard baby! Oh, they were at 12 minutes recording.
We have done 12 minutes recording.
Yeah, look how fast I'm going.
Oh, wait, I see a shiny thing. Oh, man, you're so good at. Hey, my man. So good,
Dude, am I lucky to have this game?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, mid-air hoverboard. Dude, are you seeing? Dude, are you seeing the power I'm putting into this?
Yes. Yeah, get him. Yes, and I have 8 cameras, so I gotta get 2 more guys.
No, dude.
Oh, no.
Missed it. My game is getting. The game's getting real laggy. Phew.
You have 700 on me. 800.
I'm able to get 1,000 coins in one run. Over 1,000 coins in one. Dude, I can get over 2,000 coins in one run.
Oh, one more, Sean. One more.
One more, dude.
Get that. You gotta get that, bro. We already know, man. You already know. You
Like,
gotta
imagine
get
with the
that.
jetpack, the hoverboard's just on my feet.
Oh, boom. That would actually be really cool.
Zoom.
Yeah, so good. I'm like,
Zoom.
there's one reason why that thing.
Dude, I'm insane. Guys, I'm much better than Sophia.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, you're
I got the highest
much.
score.
Sorry, I didn't mean to press that.
I just got the highest
I didn't
score.
mean to press that. What the fuck?
What the fuck? Close the game. Close the game. Close the game.
I'll get back on.
No, zoom. How do you think that went?
I think that actually went really good. So,
But guys, that is going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, what are they supposed to do, Sophia?
like and subscribe and come back in 8 minutes and we'll be doing something new.
Wait, you forgot one. Like, subscribe, with
comment.
the notification bell, baby.
And comment your favorite game.
Sorry, but my comments are
Yeah, his comedy band turned on. Those comedy too.
So, bye guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, this has been Rifted Fox, rifting out.